Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Our today's topic is the determination of moisture content of bread. Okay, let's determine the moisture content. The apparatus required for this experiment is we need a moisture dish made up of porcelain, silica, aluminum, stainless steel. We need an oven or electrically maintained at 105 degrees Celsius. We need a desiccator. Preparation of sample. Before beginning our lecture, before doing the practical, we have to prepare a sample. Cut the sample into small pieces and mix together so as to form a composite sample and transfer to a clean, dry, airtight glass container. Procedure. Weigh accurately about 5 grams of prepared sample in a moisture dish previously dried in the oven at 105 degrees Celsius. Place the dish in the oven maintained at 105 degrees Celsius for at least 4 hours. Cool in a desiccator and wait. Now, once you have placed the a sample in a oven, then we have to wait for 4 hours. And after 4 hours, we have to take out the dish from the oven and we have to cool it under the desiccator and bake it. Repeat this process for heating, cooling, weighing till the difference between the two consecutive weighing is less than 1 mg. Now there is a formula for calculation. It is much more similar to that of that we have calculated the moisture content of wheat. Similarly, we are doing here also. The moisture percent formula is W1 minus W2 into 100 upon W1 minus W, where W1 is the weight in gram of the dish with the material before drying. W2 is the weight in gram of dish with the material after drying, and W is the weight in gram of empty dish. And suppose we have the following values of moisture content, that is W1 is 54.33 minus 52.60 into 100 upon W1 54.33 minus weight of the dish was 41.33. On calculating the particular variables, putting in the formula, we get the 34.6% of the total moisture content of the bread. Thank you for being with us. For more information, please log on to our website www.itlsacademy.com.